Avnash, can you see my screen?
Yes, Manoj. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the confirmation. And coming to today's class, we are going to learn about the Scrum frameworks, three roles, three artifacts, five ceremonies, and five values. Okay, coming to the three roles. Three roles in Scrum framework, in Agile methodology under Scrum framework, we are having these three roles. The first one is Scrum Master, whatever it might be, product owner or any Scrum Master, whatever it might be. Okay, someone will write like this. Okay, so product owner, Scrum Master, and the next one is Scrum team. Okay, Avnash. So these are the three things which we have to learn under three roles. What are the major things these three people will do? Why we have taken only these three roles apart from all those things? We have lot of people in the organization, right? Product owner, sorry, product manager is there, right? DevOps team is there, right? We have lot of people are there. Why we are not considering them, and why we are considering only these three people? No, we will consider them also, but as per Scrum, we are going to consider these three people. Why? Because mainly these three people involvement will be there in Scrum framework. Understood? Understood, Avnash?
Yes, Manoj.
Yes. Coming to the product term, I will show you in a definition way in the Google terms. So I lost my what you can say PPT. Okay. So this is not the one. So initially, what is product owner? Product owner is an individual person. Okay, product owner initially he is an individual person. Okay, what this individual person will do? This individual person creates product backlog. Okay, he will create the product backlog items, just items. He will create the product backlog items, and he will maintain those items based upon the requirements. Who is going to give the requirements? Stakeholders. Okay, stakeholders will give some requirements, and sorry, they won't give requirements. Stakeholders, just consider I'm the stakeholder, you are the product owner. Right now I'm saying that I need in my login page I need username separately, password separately, and login button. After that I want to have a create account, that is for signing page. This is for login page. Everything should be in a one page. What you will do? You will note those points, and as a product owner, you will write username has to be developed, password functionality has to develop, login button has to develop, create create a new account has to develop. Am I right or wrong? You will do like that. You will
Yes,
write,
Manoj.
yes, you will write some requirements inside Jira, right? Here also the same thing. But now previously I said that product owner is an individual person. Now product owner has discussed anything with the Scrum Master or any project manager or any managers?
No, Manoj.
No, not to BA also. He individually has taken. Yes, someone joins. Yes. Individually he joins, he connected with the stakeholder. After connecting with the stakeholder, what he has taken? He has taken the vision of the product backlog. Okay, vision in the sense how to complete all these things, what we are required, the vision he has taken, and he has created the product backlog, right? And after that, creating the product backlog along with the Scrum Master and Scrum team. We are going to call them as cross-functional team as well. Cross-functional team is nothing but development team. Okay. Development team plus testing team. We are going to call it as a cross-functional team. Okay. Now what these guys are doing? These guys are working on the sprint backlog. Whenever we got the product backlog, whenever we take some requirements from product backlog to sprint backlog, we are working over there. Okay. That part is different. Coming to the product backlog, product owner is the responsible person of the product backlog. Understood, Ganesh and Avinash?
Yeah,
Yes,
Manoj, good
Manoj.
morning. Yeah,
Yeah.
Manoj, good morning. That what you are saying is the Scrum Master has the role of cross-functional functionality, right? He has to interact with all the teams, with the
No.
developer. He has to interact with the development as well as testing team.
Yes. The thing is, as a product owner, he is not interacting with the Avinash, mute yourself.
Yeah.
As a as a Scrum Master, we will interact
Hmm.
with the development team. Development team is also called as cross-functional team. Okay,
Okay,
but
okay, okay,
product owner is won't interact with the directly. He won't interact directly with the cross-functional team.
okay,
For that,
okay,
we
okay,
are having a mediator that is called as a Scrum
okay,
Master.
okay,
Scrum
okay,
Master
okay,
has to ensure everything. Okay,
okay.
right. Coming to the second
One more thing. Sorry, sorry. You are showing that Google, you took from Google, that product owner, that whatever
Yeah,
shown,
Google
na?
only. Just I copy pasted like this and I search
Okay,
whatever I'm finding, I
okay,
just open it. That's
okay, 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 okay.
right. Scrum Master. Yes. Coming to here, Scrum Master. What is meant by Scrum Master? Scrum Master, previously I said about Scrum Master is, sorry, product owner is the individual person. Okay. Now, here also, Scrum Master is also an individual person. Are you getting? Hello?
Yes, Manoj.
Here, Scrum Master is also the individual person. But what he will do, he will facilitate the Scrum meeting. Okay. Daily. Not only that, we are going to have daily stand-up calls, sprint review calls, okay, sprint planning calls, sprint retrospectives, all these things will be facilitated by the Scrum Master, not by the product owner or not by the any other person. Okay, what he will do? He will act as a servant leader. See here, he will act as a servant leader that he will serve for the team members. Okay, Manoj, I didn't get you. What that is mean by? That is nothing but he is a servant for the team. Simply, okay. He is a servant for the team. Just for our example, okay. He is a servant for this team. Whatever the team has some requirements, as a Scrum Master, he has to make sure that whatever the team needs, he has to clear on that situation. Understood?
Yes, Manoj.
Yes. And also, as a Scrum Master, he has to coach as well. Coach in the sense, if anyone is lacking behind, what we have to do? So and so person needs some coaching. As a Scrum Master, you have to ensure that that person, particular person, has to get coached. In what aspects? In some areas, right? In some development, he needs some coaching. For that, as a Scrum Master, we have to make him to get that coaching. So how we are going to get it? Like if there is any team members, like team leads are there, we have to interact with him, make the person to get knowledge. Okay, right. Coming to the Scrum team, I said that Scrum team is also a individual persons, but we are not going to call it as simply individuals. Scrum team is a group of individuals. Okay, A Scrum team is a group of individuals. It might be initially 5 to 9, might be more than 9 also sometimes. Okay, who has to deliver the valuable product. Valuable product in the sense we are working on every sprint, right? We are working on every sprint, sprint by sprint. For what we are working, we are getting paid by the client is paying for us. For what? For the product. Whatever the product we are developing, that for that product he is paying for us. We have to develop that product in a time or in a short time frame of known as a sprints. In a sprint by sprint, we have to develop this. Okay, that is called the Scrum team. Scrum team is majorly working for the client who about their requirements. Okay, understood, Ganesh? Avinash?
Yes, yes, Manoj. Yes, Manoj.
Okay,
Yes.
yes, right. Coming to the three artifacts. What are these three artifacts? Majorly, we are having product backlog. The first one is called the product backlog. What we are going to have in product backlog? Initially, the client requirements will be there. Okay, whatever project we are developing, those projects requirements will be there. Okay, see here in this diagram, it is particularly showing that. So these are all called as requirements. Okay, this is the product backlog. What we are doing, guys, we are picking some items for the sprint one. For some items, we are picking for sprint 2 and 3. I mean, like a sprint 2. Some items for the sprint 3. Some items for the sprint 4. Some items for the sprint 5. Right? Like totally, the whole backlog we are going to get covered. And Manoj, what will be there in this product backlog? In this product backlog, we are going to have a list of features, guys. Features in the sense, let me open Amazon. So what are these? Today's deals, bestsellers, sales, right? If you click on this, what you are getting? All these are features. Okay, oh, we came to movies, huh? Yes. Electronics. To develop this electronics, what are these? These are all the features. These are all the features inside the Amazon website, right? Those features will be kept here, where in the product backlog. Understood, guys? Avinash?
Yes.
Okay, right.
Okay.
Coming to the sprint backlog. Okay, what we are going to have in sprint backlog? Okay, just simple thing here. What is this, guys? Product backlog. Product backlog contains 1,000 items. From these 1,000 items, we are picking 10 items into sprint backlog. Manoj, how we will pick? I will show you afterwards. Okay, in Jira, I will show you. Ganesh, I have shown to you, right? In Jira.
Yes, yes, Manoj. Yes.
Okay, right. Thank you. In product backlog, we are going to have like a number of items. Just consider 1,000 items will be there. Okay, from that 1,000 items, what we are doing, guys? We are picking on our capacity. How much work we can do. That is our capacity, right? Avinash?
Yes.
Yes. Initially, we are having in a team of 10 members,
Yeah.
right? These 10 members can work based upon their capacity.
Correct.
Yeah, you can mute yourself, Avinash. Based upon their capacity, they can work and they can take the tickets. Here also the same thing. In this sprint backlog, what we are doing, guys? We are picking some items from product backlog to sprint backlog. See here, a sprint backlog is a subset of product backlog and a list of work items to complete in a specific sprint. Okay, that means it is also another backlog, like a product backlog. Okay, we are picking some items from product backlog to sprint backlog and completing those items. Like we are picking some specific items. Specific items in the sense we are having priorities. Okay, based upon that priority, we are picking some items and we are completing those items. Okay, understood? Right. Coming to
Yes.
the yeah, coming to the product increment. Product increment, is nothing but it is the combination of it is the combination or addition of current build plus previous build. Okay, what does it mean by current build plus previous build? Initially, sprint one, we are working on sprint one. Okay, okay, I don't have here. Let me see in my images. I just kept some images. Let me show you.
Manoj, what was the thing that you were saying regarding the product increment? That was it is a combination of the current build versus the previous build, right?
Yes. Okay. Coming to here, sprint one is current build or previous build? Avinash?
Current build.
Current build. What can you say? What is the previous build for sprint one?
And there is no previous build. No. Sprint
There is
one
no
is the
previous
starting.
build for the sprint one,
Yeah.
right? Initially, for sprint one, we don't get the previous build. What we will do then? We will work for the current build only, right? After completing the sprint
Yes.
one, what we will do, guys? We will go for sprint two, right? Now, sprint two is there. After completing this sprint two, what is the current build? What is the previous build?
And so current build will be sprint two, and the previous build will be sprint one.
Okay. Now, my question is, what is the current build of 130, sorry, 141? What is the previous build of 140, sorry, what is the previous build of 141?
I'm sorry, Manoj. Could you come again? You said the current
Yes.
build.
Okay. Now, I completed the sprint 100. Okay.
Okay.
I completed the sprint 100. What is the current build and what is the previous build?
Current bill is 100, previous bill is 99.
Okay. But initially, what we are doing, guys, a product increment, a product increment is the scrum of all completed product backlog items at the end of the scrum sprint that adds up to a new usable and potential uh, what is this releasable versions of the product. That means if you complete one sprint, okay,
Yes, yes. So the current sprint will be 100. So the previous bill will be from 1 till the
1
99.
to 99
99 plus the
current bill.
current bill.
Okay, initially
Yeah.
what we are doing, this is sprint one, right?
Yes.
Now we got like a sprint two. What we are doing, guys, we are adding these two and keep it in a single bill. Okay, now we completed this sprint three. Now sprint three, previous build will be sprint two and sprint one, right? But initially, if you check here, we are going to add current build plus previous build. Now
Yes.
current build will be sprint three, but you have to add what? Sprint two only. You are not adding sprint one. For this main reason, what we are doing, we are adding these two, okay, and keep it in a one box, one plus two. Okay. Now what we are doing, guys, if you complete this sprint two, we are going for this box. Got it?
Got it.
Right. Now in this you can find these two features, right? Now you added the
Yes.
sprint three. Sprint three will be here. Now what you are doing, you completed the sprint four. Now you won't go for you won't go to here. Now you will definitely go to here. Why? Because You will have in this box all the features, right?
Yes.
Just see here, like a boxes are there, right? In all the boxes, just consider sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3, sprint 4, right? If any new feature completed, sprint completed, what we are going to do? We are going to add this into this box. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, that is called as product increment. Any doubts?
No.
Right.
No,
Manoj,
no.
Manoj, you said any boxes, right? So do we have the box? No, guys. We don't get any boxes. Just for our understanding, I am showing that. Okay. In real time, it is completely different. But the term is different. Term is same. If you complete this sprint one, we will keep it in some area. If you complete the sprint two, we will take those tickets and we will keep it in some area. After completing 6 or 7 sprints, we will release all the tickets at a time. Understood? Ganesh and Avnash?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. You can mute yourself. Right. Mhm. Coming to the next one, we are going to discuss about 5 values. Very easy. Okay. 10 minutes or 5 minutes more than enough for this. Okay. But here in agile methodology, how many values we are having, Ganesh?
5 values.
No, 4 values. These are Scrum values.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah, yes, correct. 4 values are there. That incremented that over A over B. Yes, four
That
values.
is called agile values.
Okay.
Okay. These 5 values are Scrum framework values. Okay. I know that you will get confused. Okay. That's why I asked you. Okay. Don't get confused, Ganesh. Okay. Right. Coming to the Scrum framework, what is the first one, guys? Sorry. Previously, I said that whenever we are reading these 4 values, it should be in an order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, Manoj? I want to keep it like this. 3 should be 1, 1 should be second, fourth should be 3, and the second should be 4. No, you should not say like that. It should be in an order. But coming to here, you can say as your wish. Okay, if you like to say focus is number one, respect is number two, openness is number three, okay, commitment is number one, and courage is number two. As your wish. Okay, but this is for best understanding. CC for, okay, CCFOR for, okay, or FOR for CC. Anything you can remember. Okay, I remember like this. First one is courage. Second one is commitment. Third one is focus. Fourth one is openness. Fifth one is respect. Manoj, what are these things? Initially, courage. Courage is nothing but you should have a courage that if you did anything wrong, okay, anything wrong in the development, don't hide it. Okay, don't hide anything. Say to the team members, hey, I mistakenly did these things. Okay, don't hide this thing. If you hide that thing, what will happen whenever we are showcasing the product? Okay, whenever we are showcasing the product, at that time you will definitely get caught. Okay, for that reason, what we are doing, guys, previously say that. If you say if I say that, what will happen, Manoj? We can take the precautions, right? Avinash?
Yes, Manoj.
Yes, I will give you a very good example. So no one is there in your house, right? Okay. So what you did, you want to cook for yourself. In that cooking, what you did, you break some glasses. Okay, some glass, and what you did, you just hide that. Okay, whenever your mom comes, what you did, you hide that. Okay, you hide it, and you dumped it in the dustbin. Okay, now your mom is searching for that glass. Just consider that is that glass is your mom's favorite. Now your mom is asking, where is my glass, where is my glass? But you are saying that I don't know. You are hiding that. But at the end of the day, your mom saw that your that glass is in bin. Okay, whenever your mom go out, when your mom go out, your mom went out in the early in the morning. At the time, she drinks a glass of water. She drinks some glass of water and she went out. At the time, the glass is good. Okay, in the house, you are only you is there. I mean, only Avinash is there. When your mom came in the evening, your mom is not finding that glass. Who is the responsible person here?
Me, Avinash.
Avinash is the responsible person because in house there are 2 to 3 people. Your mom can think that might be younger one can break it, right? Because his age is just 8 or 9, but Avinash age is 20 plus. Avinash has some maturity so that Avinash won't break. This kid don't have maturity, so while picking something, your mom thought that he broke the glass. Am I right or wrong, Avinash?
Maybe Manoj, but we are only alone, right? So
Right
if
now you are only alone, but if
yes,
there is like a 2 to 3 people, your mom
yeah,
think like that, right?
yeah, yes, yes,
If you are alone, your mom definitely
okay,
will connect you,
yeah,
right? Why
yeah,
did you break the glass,
yeah,
right? You should hide that. If you don't hide that, and whenever your moms came in, just say to your mom, "Hey, mom, by mistakenly, I broke the glass." Okay, what your mom say that? Did you hurt? Am I right or wrong?
yes,
That is the first thing. Did you hurt? The second thing is, why did you break the glass? Okay, we don't want second thing. We are going for the first scenario. Okay, did you hurt or not? Okay, here also the same thing in organization. If you by mistakenly did something, go and say to the senior management or like a scrum master. We have the scrum master, right? So he is the servant leader for us. What this scrum master will do, he will contact with some other development team people. Hey, by mistakenly he has done that to me. Can you guys help on that to complete that ticket? Definitely they will give you some idea about it, and they are going to complete the ticket, right? Now if you hide that total sprint, okay, you hide that thing entire sprint. Now at the end of the sprint, you have to showcase the product. Now you are not giving that coding, right? Now there is a big mistake. Now client will get fired. Okay, why you didn't? If you are not feeling well or if you did some mistakes, why you didn't say to the management like a scrum master? Am I right or wrong? So that should not happen. You should have a courage to express the things. That is the uh, one of the value.
yes,
Okay. Coming to the second value, commitment, guys. Commitment is nothing but whatever you have committed. Just consider there are 20 tickets are there. Under 20 tickets, you just we are going to have some other subtasks also. We are going to break the tickets. While breaking this ticket, every ticket has been broken down into 5. 20 into 5, 100, right? In 100 tickets, we have
yes,
taken 15 tickets. You have committed, right? You committed. Okay, I will complete these 15 tickets. Whatever you have committed, you have to do that work. If you don't do that work, ultimately your job will be in a risk. You will be on a bench, right? Whatever you have committed, you should complete on that. Okay, Ganesh, understood? Avinash,
Yes, Manoj.
right?
Yes, Manoj. Yes, Manoj.
Yes, yes. You guys can mute yourself. Right. Coming to the third one is nothing but focus, guys. Okay. What is focus? Focus is nothing but whatever you are working. Okay. Just consider, guys. You are cooking. Okay. You are cooking. If you don't keep focus on that, what will do? What will happen? The dish will burn, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The focus is nothing but simple, guys. There is a cricket match is going on, but you need to cook yourself. What you have to do? You have to focus on only one thing. You should not focus on multiple things, right? If you keep focus on multiple things, anyone will get disturbed. So for that reason, what this focus is saying for us, if you are working on some particular aspects, some particular tickets, try to be focused on that ticket only. Okay, guys?
Yes, Manoj.
Right.
Yes, Manoj.
Yes. Coming
Yes,
to the
Manoj.
fourth one is nothing but openness. Okay? Openness. Can you say anything, Ganesh? I have explained to you previously. Are you referring this?
Currently, I want to. Yes.
Sorry, Ganesh.
No, I. Can you please repeat? So,
No, no, no. I
openness.
didn't get you, Ganesh. What you said?
No, I want to recollect. Actually, can
Okay, okay. You want to recollect. Okay. Yeah, Avinash, can you say anything?
openness.
Openness? No problem in that. If you say wrong, also no problem.
Openness as in like, for example, if there is some kind of feedback, we need to
Uh-huh.
be open to accept those feedbacks and like being very transparent in communication or something. Or
Okay. Feedback in the sense after completing the work, right?
yeah,
But
something.
initially,
Yeah.
we don't want feedback, right? We are working right now. What does it mean by openness while working?
Okay. So in that case, uh, uh, basically, you
No
are.
problem. See, if you are not comfortable with this working example, any example like in your home or
Okay.
anything, okay,
Okay.
anything you can say, not only in IT.
Okay. So openness is nothing but like whatever we feel like to be like. Let's say if you want something to be eaten for lunch, it's okay to be open and ask your parents for them to be cooking that for yourself, for you, or maybe at the same thing like if you're working in an organization and if you wanted something, you
Mhm.
you approach them to get something, or you just be open so that
To ask them.
yeah, to ask them or maybe to accept whatever they say.
Mhm.
it,
Yes,
yeah,
I will
it's
give.
like a given.
Yes, we have to ask them. That means I will give you a little bit. Whatever you said that it's okay for. But I will give you a small brief. Openness is nothing but you need something from the seniors. Okay, you need something. A coding is there. You don't know that. You should be in a open way to ask them. Otherwise, openness is nothing but you are the senior person. I am the junior person. Okay, so a junior person is openly asking you, "Hey, senior, can you clear me this doubt?" As a senior person, you should be in a open way as well. If any of the team member requires, okay, required any doubts or any clarifications, you should be in a express way. Okay, you have to express in a situation that okay, I will uh, I will explain you this topic, but not right now. I'm in a work. Whenever I got some leisure period or leisure time, I will definitely contact you and I will explain you. That is called openness, right? If anyone says that, hey, hey, team lead, Can you express me this, or can you explain me these things? If I say that no, I don't know anything about it, right? That is not a openness way. Okay,
Got it.
understood, Ganesh?
Yes, Manoj. Yes, Manoj. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
One of my favorite is respect. Okay. Why? Because no need to explain anything. No need to explain anything. Okay. Whoever it might be, give respect. That's it.
Yes,
If
Manoj.
it is a senior or a junior, okay. If you respect them, they will respect you back. If you don't respect them, they won't respect you. Okay. If you are arrogant, they might be juniors, right? But they will do some back bitching, right? In the backside they will talk about you in a wrong way. He is not a good guy. Okay, he's not a very good guy. He won't respect you. He won't teach anything to you, right? If you are under him, you are dead man, right? He won't give you a damn respect also. Okay, that's how we should not be. Okay, you should, if you respect the people, then only the people will respect you. If you respect the people, whatever you want to complete it, they will definitely complete it for you, right, guys?
Yes, Manoj.
Yes, yes, Manoj.
Yes. We have completed 3 artifacts, 3 roles, and 5 values. Now, coming to the 5 ceremonies, it is going to take some time, guys. Okay, it is going to take around one class will take. Okay, I need to explain more time. I have to spend more time on this, so that many examples I have to give to you, right? So that we are going to explain these things on tomorrow. Okay.
Sure, man.
Right. Coming to the sprints, what we have planned for initially 1 to 4 sprints, right? 1 to 4 weeks, right? Here also the sprint planning is, sorry, this ceremony is or nothing but time boxed events. Okay. Okay, Avinash.
Okay, got it, Manoj.
Tomorrow write some time box events and give it to me, submit to me. Okay.
Okay, so when you say that word, can you just let me know? Can you just at least brief Manoj like what?
Anything. Okay. If I brief, you will write not 3 to 4. You will write like 100.
Oh, okay,
Okay. Not
okay.
like that. Don't go this way. Don't go sprint to sprint planning meeting. No, real time.
Mm-hmm,
Real time time box. What are the events? I have given you the keyword events.
mm-hmm.
What are the events are there? What are the time boxed events are there? Okay.
Okay,
Please let me know. Just 5. Okay.
that's fine.
Manoj, I
Okay,
will write 10. I will be very happy.
okay, Manoj.
Okay. Yes.
So
Try
yeah,
to write 5 to
at,
10.
at least 5 to 10. Okay.
Yes. At least